Welcome to part 2 of the Nikola Motor Company series. Sit back, relax, and hit that like button. Continue watching until the end because I will share a secret tip with you the rich do not want you to know about. I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice, just a guide to how I manage my finances and invest my time and money. Question: what do you think of the Badger pickup truck? Comment below. Part 1. If you haven't already seen part 1, pause this video and go check it out. It is linked in the video description and covers an introduction to the Nikola Motor Company, the products available, and a comparison between the Badger pickup truck and the Tesla Cybertruck. Badger reservations. Trevor Milton at Nikola Trevor on Twitter tweeted on June 28th. Attention reservation holders. Unlike our competitors, we don't use your money to fund our development. At Nikola Motor is guaranteeing and vouching to leave your paid deposits for all vehicles in an account and not consume the funds. You have a guaranteed ability to get your deposits back until you choose your final colours, specs, and your truck enters the assembly line, without penalty. Now let's see how our competitors agree to that as well. Who's solid, who's not? Nikola is solid. Just before I comment on this tweet, Mr. Milton did confirm this was not a shot at Tesla. By the way, I am not a Tesla fanboy, just a neutral third party interested in this situation. The question here is, why is this capital not being allocated to research and development for new products? Wouldn't this be a suitable use of excess capital brought in from the pre-orders to aid in the R&D of the Badger pickup truck, since it's not yet a physical product? Nevertheless, they do not want to use this capital at all. A possible reason for doing this is because they know they do not have the ability to fulfill all of the orders of the pickup truck, and customers will want their deposits back. But this is just a theory. Another question you should ask yourself is, who is in control of this account containing all of the customer deposits? Are the funds safe? The fact that Nikola isn't allocating capital effectively demonstrates to me that they are incapable of managing the company's finances. You could argue all companies are required to keep cash reserves, however, this just seems incredibly suspicious to me. Again, this is just my opinion. What measures are put in place to stop Mr. Milton from running away with the funds? This is just a major red flag. Package selection. When customers pre-order the Badger pickup truck, they are provided with 3 packages priced at $250 to $5,000. Each package includes different prizes and perks. This includes tickets to Nikola World 2020, an event where the Nikola Badger pickup truck is supposedly revealed to the public. Recap. Customers pre-order the Badger pickup truck that does not yet exist. Who is in control of this account containing all of the customer deposits? Nikola isn't allocating capital effectively. Secret tip. Nikola stock is a ticking time bomb. Seeking Alpha recently released an article on the S1 filing for the Nikola Motor Company. What this essentially means is PIPE investors, private investment in public equity investors, are able to sell their positions in Nikola Motors, possibly resulting in the stock dropping to $20 per share. These warrants become exercisable on July 3rd. If you want a more in-depth explanation into this matter, the article is linked in the video description box below. Now you know, ladies and gentlemen, a little bit more about Nikola Motors. If you learned something here today, then I would kindly ask you to hit that like button if you haven't already. Feel free to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you're notified about all my future videos. If you want 2 free stocks worth up to £100 to £200, there is a link in the video description. Be sure to check out these videos on screen now, as I know you'll enjoy watching them. Also, don't miss out on all the fun things happening on my Twitter and Reddit. Cheers guys, and I'll be seeing you next time.